Hi, I am Dhanishan from SNS College of Pharmacy. Now I am going to tell about Center for Learning Teaching Technology and Robotic Surgery. Center for Learning and Technology Teaching is dedicated to inspire and support best practices in learning and teaching that promote engaged, effective, student-centered and lifelong learning for providing quality education. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to natural intelligence displayed by the animals, including humans. Some popular accounts use them artificial intelligence to describe machines that mimic cognitive functions that the humans associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery is basically the use of robotic arms or tool during operation. Human interaction is still necessary for robotic operation. Current surgical robots are controlled by voice, remote, or joystick controls. Types of robotic system. AESOV robotic system, automated endoscopic system for optimal positioning. Basically, one robotic arm which holds the endoscope. Endowrist technology. More movement of surgeon's wrist is mimicked by the mechanical arm. Foot pedals are a voice-activated software allow the physician to control the endoscope, leaving his/her hand free to perform operation. Developed by Computer Motion. First FDA approved a robot for operating assistance. Da Vinci surgical system. Three primary components. Vision system, technology that allows the surgeon to get closer to the surgical site. Then vision will allow. Surgical cart contains the endowrist instrument with robotic arms, two for axial surgery, one for camera that is inserted into patient's endoscope. Surgeon console controls for endowrist instruments developed by Intuitive Surgical. Zeus robotic surgical system has a similar setup to Da Vinci system, a computer workstation, a video display, hand control to move a table-mounted surgical instrument, endoscope inserted into the patient, developed by Computer Motion. Note: these systems have been FDA approved for only a few selected surgeries. All these systems show great promise. For example, EZTUS system has already been used in Germany to perform minimally invasive coronary bypass surgery. Advantages: minimal invasive. Robotic surgery does not require as much as incision or cuts as done conventional energy. Example: conventional bypass surgery requires a 1 foot long incision along the patient chest. Robotic surgery needs a 3 to 4 inches only, about 1 centimeter in diameter. For the surgeon, robotic surgery is much faster than conventional surgery, decreases the fatigue that surgeons would experience during conventional surgery that would last for several hours, increases the margin for error. Even the steadiest hands experience from and terror. Some of the approved systems have been programmed to compensate for tremor, so robotic arm stays ready. Cost efficiency. Robotic surgery allows for fewer personnel in operating room. Most operations today need about a dozen people in the operating room, 2 or 3 surgeons, an anesthesiologist, and several nurses. Robotic surgeons only need one surgeon, an anesthetist, and 1 or 2 nurses due to the fact the surgery will be minimally invasive and there will be less equipment needed as a mechanical arms will do most of the work. With advancing technology and increasing accuracy, surgeon will get farther and farther from patient and invasiveness of the procedure will get less and less. Thank you.